Guys, I weren't going to vlog today, but something amazing's happening, so roll the titles now. And he wants to go out in it. He loves it. Thunder. No sound effects whatsoever. This is the best storm we've had in years. Wow! I hope I got that. Well, I think most of it's past us. It's mainly over there right now. As you can see over here, it's getting brighter. But yeah, that was probably the best thunderstorm we've had in a long while. Close the window now, it's past. That's the only reason I got the camera out, is because of that. Honestly, I was not going to vlog today at all, but I could hear the rumbles coming and I was like, And I went upstairs, started watching it, saw two streaks of lightning come flying down at the same time, like sort of a couple of miles apart, and I'm like, why am I not filming this? So straight downstairs, picked you up I went. I don't think there'll be any more, who knows. And I don't even know how much footage I've got, because I just kept putting it I put it on slow motion and I just kept pressing record. When I got to the end, press record again. I think I've got some lightning bolts, I'm not certain. I will see when I watch it back. Anyway, I'm gonna go. There's nothing else for me to tell you. You already know that I've got tickets for Florida. Today I've sorted out my visa. That's been approved. You wanted to go out in the thunderstorm? No. I don't want a fried dog. Anyway, until if it thunders again, or until another day, peace out. Do you want to go out in thunder? Do you want to go out in thunder? Yeah. Well, you're not.